Hello everybody, especially to those who are looking for a job. We have a manufacturing company which is scheduled for interview tomorrow at 10:11. That will be Friday. So this company is a manufacturing company located in Tokyo and Nagano. So you will be responsible for online sales or sales overseas. So we're looking for 1 to 2 people for this, and the salary starts from 200,000 yen above, and there is shifting schedule for this, and there will be bonus also. So anyone looking for online sales or overseas sales position, this is a manufacturing company located again in Tokyo and Nagano. So the interview will be tomorrow, Friday. So if you are interested, please let us know. You can comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 0362068058. By the way, the level of Japanese for this will be at least N3 and N2 level. Thank you.